Hello, delightful people. I'm Eve. Let's take a look at how to edit your videos with Canva as a complete beginner. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to put your videos together. Follow along? Let's go. Hello,
File, you click on create image. It's your settings area. You can make changes, but usually you don't really need to make any changes because it's already being put together the right way for you to use. So we go to create new design. That opens the interface for you. It depends on what you want to do. You can write your emails, you can do your Excel, you can do your Word, you can do whiteboard and presentation, videos, prints, everything you can do over here. So what you're looking for today is to put together your video, which we are making a video for social media. So we look through and see which one we want. If you want to make a TikTok video, you choose this aspect ratio, which is 16:9. If you want YouTube video, you search for the YouTube video and then you can click. If you can't find it here, look up there. There you've got YouTube. Click on it and then look for the YouTube video. This is 16:9. So you click on that to open the workspace for you. Don't worry about this. This is for the elements. Here you can search for things you are looking for to add, but we don't need that for now, so we will just ignore it. And then once you've got your workspace, you want to upload your video to the interface. So you go to upload videos and then you go to, if you're looking for images, you just go and bring your images. You click on images, you go to upload file. It will take you to your gallery where you saved your videos or you save your images, and then you can choose whichever one you want. But today we are doing this, which is videos. So you go to your video, upload video. I have my videos on the desktop, then I come and search for it. Kelly Kids TV. Today we're doing something with Kelly Kids TV. So I'll go into the video section and anything that has to do with my videos, I choose that. And these are all the videos that I have when it comes to Kelly Kids TV. I've already uploaded all of them. So I've selected all 14 and then I'll click open. Once you click open, everything is going to show over here. Everything showing over here. So you just click on which ones you want today. Let's start with this Kelly Kids TV. The next one will be, just make sure you hover over it to see which one you want to go first and which one you want to go second. So you click on that, you click on that, you click on that, and then you click on that. All the videos you're looking for are basically going to show up over here on your workspace. At first you will have to spread it to fit the screen, but the newest update that came with all those already stretched out into the workspace. So we've got our work on the screen. Let us preview and see what we've got.
Kelly Kids TV. Sweet dreams tonight. Good night.
Okay, so scene by scene, we have added all our videos. You go to close. If you want to watch it, you just click on preview. It will take you full screen. Then you can watch it. So we've got that. Now we've got to add our audio. Go back to that same place in case you don't have it on the screen like I do. You go back to uploads, you go to audio, and then you go to upload file. It will take you to the file where you've stored your stuff. Okay, so We go to song. Today I want to use the knock knock, which is this one. Just click on it, it will open. Then you click on open. Once you click on open, it shows up here. I've already uploaded it, so it shows up here. Now we want to add the sound. You need to bring that to the beginning. You can just click on add audio. It will take you to the same place. It's just the same thing, okay? You don't need to stress it. Just here or here, you get the same thing. So let's go and get our audio, and it's already been added for us. And if you can see, it wasn't, because I didn't place the at the very beginning, so it didn't start from the very beginning. Just in case that's how you want it.
Be aware, Kelly heard a knock one day. Someone called her name.
Okay, so I don't want it like that, so I'm going to put it right at the beginning. Just click and hold it, and then you drag it to or from. You don't, wherever you want to put those things, you just put that. And then the initial video has some sound in there, which I really do not want it to interact with the song, so I'm going to have to mute the video. So you click on that and you mute it. Click on that and you mute it. Click. So basically that's how you reduce the volumes. If you want to maintain the voice, feel free to just keep the voice. All right, let's see what we've got.
Be aware, Kelly heard a knock one day. Someone called her name. She walked close and stopped right there. Something felt not the same. Think first, don't rush, stay calm, don't touch. No, don't open the door. Run, come on for sure.
Okay, so that's what we've got. That's what we've got. So suppose you were putting them together and you saw that they have been misplaced. You don't want to have this one over here, but you rather want to have it probably here. All right, so we just click and hold it and drag it. Okay, you can click that and bring it here. Change the position any way you want it. Just bring it. Just bring it. Right.
Hush, little star, close your eyes.
Yeah, I want this one here. I want that one here, and I want that here. So that's how you arrange your videos the way you want it to be seen, actually, or you want it to follow. So let's see what we've got now.
Be aware, Kelly heard a knock one day. Someone called her.
All right, so that's what we've got. And then if you want to add some transitions, you just click on that, and then it takes you here. You hover over it, you see which transitions you would like to add to your video. Feel free to choose any one of them. It's free, you don't pay for it. So I think I'll go with that, and then I can apply all of that to all the scenes. So let's see what we've got. Go to preview.
Be aware, Kelly heard a knock one day. Someone called her name. She walked close, then stopped right there. Something felt not the same. Think first, don't rush, stay calm, don't touch. No, don't open the door. Run, come on for sure. Wait, stay right there. Save kids, show they care. No, don't open the door. more. Think again.
Alright, so that's what we've got for. And just in case there's anything you want to delete, you just highlight it and then press the back key and it takes it right from there. Just in case you want to add any scene in between the scenes, probably you forgot there was something you should have added, just place the cursor at where you want the thing to be, and you can go and pick whatever you need to put in and bring it right there. Okay, so let's add that. There you go. And then you want to mute that or probably allow it to play. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so we've got a beautifully put together video with Canva. If you're satisfied with what you've got so far, you just need to go to share and then you can download your video. Make sure you leave it at MP4 video and then you can download it. So guys, that's about the basics of Canva. We will be back here to learn some more.
You've come this far, you are among the 5% who actually finish what they begin. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, write them in the comment and I will make you a video on that. Subscribe for more.